weather advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. EST this morning. Cold weather advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Thursday. 1. For the first cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 21 below. For the second cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 15 below expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? For the first cold weather advisory, until 11 a.m. EST this morning. For the second cold weather advisory, from 7 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. EST Thursday. Impacts. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves.